Hello! The Andersen electric power window operator for awning or roof windows allows users to more easily open hard-to-reach or difficult-to-open Andersen windows. In this video, we will be installing an Andersen power operator for an awning window. To begin, clean your windows. Use a silicone-based lubricant on a cloth. Make sure that the moving hinge parts on the side of the window have been lubricated so that it opens and shuts smoothly. Once the moving parts of the windows have been cleaned, we need to install the rain sensor that comes with your power operator. Screw the rain sensor to the windowsill or a surface where rain will reach it. You can hook up to 4 windows to the same power supply, and only one rain sensor is needed for each power supply. When rain falls on the sensor, all of the windows connected to the same power supply will automatically close. So be sure to install the rain sensor where it is most likely to be rained on. Next, remove the old operator handle. There should be a small screw on the underside of it. Unscrew it and remove the handle. If the power operator is not already connected to the awning window bracket, secure it to the base now, using the screw provided. On the back, you can see the cords where the power supply and safety connector will be plugged in. You can also see where the rain sensor needs to be plugged in. Do this now, making sure to situate your cord where it will not get tangled up or ripped by closing the window. Next, we need to install the power operator right on top of the existing operator base, making sure that all of our cords are sticking out the back and not getting caught under the operator. Attach the safety connector. The bottom is a sticky peel-off backing and will stick on the base of your screen. If the connector comes unattached, the power operator will not function. Plug in up to 4 power operators to the power supply. Then connect the remote. Your kit includes screws so you can mount the power supply and/or remote on the wall or other surface. Next, plug your power supply into an outlet or extension cord and let's test the window. Each operator that you plug into the power supply corresponds to one of the numbers on the remote. We plugged this window into the first connector of the power supply, so we need to hit button number 1 to select this window, and then open to open it. To close, we push 1 and close. Our window is working smoothly. If you have multiple windows connected to the same power supply, you can click Open without clicking a particular number. The power supply will run through all of the windows attached to it and open them all. Same goes for the Close function. Let's also test the rain sensor for fun. Our window closes just like it should. You should hear that the power supply is running through the cycles of all power connections, even if they are being unused. To purchase an Andersen power operator kit for awning or roof windows, or if you have any questions, please visit us at allaboutdoors.com.